Hey everyone, here's another example from section 3.2. This one is finding the limit as u approaches 3 for u to the fourth minus 81 over u to the third minus 27. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at, because we have the limit from u to 3, or from u as u approaches 3, we're going to plug 3 in here. 3 cubed is 27, minus 27. You can see when you take 3 cubed and you get 27 minus 27, you're going to get a domain error. It just means it's undefined. So what we have to do is we have to do some factoring. So let's start here and we're going to say limit as u approaches 3, u to the fourth minus 81 over u cubed minus 27. We're going to factor both of these. And it may not come to you right away how to factor these. But if you remember back to Algebra 2 and then you maybe look some stuff up online, u to the fourth minus 81, you can factor that down into u squared plus 9, u squared minus 9. I know this is true because if I get u squared times u squared, that's u to the fourth. And then I'll get 9u squared and negative 9u squared, so those will cancel, and you obviously get 9 times negative 9, which is negative 81. That's going to be over. If you break this down, there's a specific way you can do a cube. Anytime you have a cube and then another cube, you can break this down to u minus 3 times u squared plus 3u plus 9. And this all comes back from, if you look up online, when you take a cube minus another cube, there's a specific way that you can factor that, and this is the way that you would factor that. I think they have a formula online, and the formula online is, let's see, it would have been a minus b, and then it would say times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So that is the formula that if you have something that looks like this, where you have something cubed minus something else cubed, you can use this formula to break this down like I did there. So then from there, I'm still not canceling anything, but I know that this u squared minus 9 will break down again, and so that'll be u squared plus 9, and it breaks down to, this will break down to u plus 3, u minus 3. And that's over u minus 3, u squared plus 3u plus 9. Now you can see that I can cancel u minus 3 in each of these. And that's going to leave me with u squared plus 9, u plus 3 over u squared plus 3u plus 9. So I can now take a look here. If I take 3 and I plug it in here, notice you'll get 3 squared, which is 9. You get 3 times 3, which is 9, and you get 9 here. So this is now something that we can actually evaluate the limit at, because we just canceled out this negative portion, which was that u minus 3 was really the culprit there, because 3 minus 3 would be 0 and cancel all the bottom out. So now that we got rid of that, we can actually evaluate this. So we're going to say 3 squared plus 9, 3 plus 3 on top, over, this will be 3 squared plus 3 times 3 plus 9. I'm going to get a lot of 9s here. This is going to be 9 plus 9 times 6 over 9 plus 9 plus 9. So this will be on the bottom 27, and on the top you get 9 plus 9, which is 18. So you have 18 times 6, which gives 18 times 6 will be 6108 over 27. And I believe you can break that down. If If you divide it by 3, you're going to get, let's see, 36 over 9, which then breaks down even farther to 36 divided by 9 is 4. So, if we look at our limit as u approaches 3 for this function here is 4.